We're going to show you how to use our Flawless Volumizer. This product is really good for keeping your fans open. What does it mean? When you apply this Flawless Volumizer on a strip of the lashes, have a look how it's nicely designed. The hole where the brush is put in, it's so tight, so it takes the all residue of solution and you don't need to wipe it off to the tape. So then you apply a little bit on the strip. Don't apply on the whole strip, just as much as you're planning to use, and apply let's say 1 or 2 millimeter from the bottom where the lashes are lined. What does it mean? You need to apply this volumizer in that place. It depends how long the volume fan base you want it to be. So what does it mean? When you apply the solution, when you make a fan and you go deep into the adhesive cannot travel higher where you applied it. So even if you accidentally picked up too much adhesive, your fans will stay open. Adhesive won't travel up. This is very good for fasten your job, for faster application. So you don't need to wait, count till 1 or 2 or 3 until adhesive dries. Your work will be much faster and fans will stay nice and open. You need to reapply this product, I would say every 20-30 minutes, depending on the humidity, because the solution evaporates and it will stop working. Or if you don't want to count 20 or 30 minutes, you can reapply this product as soon as you notice that the fans start closing and you need to wait. So that's the kind of a tip for you when to reapply this volumizer.